hole inside the hole, and I put the tank over there. It's about 80 litre, 100 litre tank. I want to make sure that it's level. And the reason the tank is there, because the tank number 1 will be vermicomposting.
What?
Hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how I build my sewage system. So enjoy watching and don't forget to click that like button and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Okay, let's see, the water is running down there. And the water pump is working and it should stop automatically when the level goes down, and will turn on automatically when the level goes up. I'll show you how it works. That is up and running, and it's stopped now. On a corner, on angle, and leveled. So now all tanks will be leveled. It's going to be kind of shed over here. I will use these sheets, what's left from the roof. I will use that for the walls, and then once that's done, I'll be ready to put those tanks down there. And probably I'll have to do it alone. So I put one tank there, put the roofing sheets my bunker is ready, so the only thing that's missing is the roof. So that's the first tank. It goes into a small there, comes into that one, then that one, and then there. All the way down there. Same out here from the toilet. That's the first tank. So then from this tank, from this exit here, it will go all water in here. There will be water pump over there. When the water levels goes up, water pump turns on and then it pumps all the water through this hole into this tank. So that's for our bottom 100 liters tank. There's the water pump. So I'll show you now how we're gonna look like. Thanks for watching part 1 of my sewage system project. Part 2 is going to be even more exciting. We'll explore how system works, learn about vermicomposting toilets, and discover science of aerobic and anaerobic bacteria in sewage system. Plus, I will share natural gas production concept in my sewage system. Don't miss out part 2 and other great content. Hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. Your support means a lot. If you enjoy watching this video, give it thumbs up and share your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks again for watching, and I see you in my next video. I will stop.
Okay. Thanks for watching.